allow it because their places are just too busy or different reasons.
They don't want you backing up 10 times.
Yeah, this Jim on truck. What? All right, I'm making a delivery, so I got to make that. Aurora, where? Okay. What kind of time's on it? Yeah, well, I'm not a. I'd say it's not a hard team. It's not a hard team running. No, it's in the computer too. I have no idea at this point. I just do not even take it because you guys are gonna be on me all the time. No, I said no. I said you guys be on me, pushing me to get it there. I've gone through this before. You tried to put service failures in with an OK on it. I got a little. Yeah, yeah. You'd be better have a regular team on. Okay. Same to you, lady.